Well, Bharat Biotech has said trials for kids' vaccine is over and data will be submitted to the DCGI next week. Bharat Biotech has completed its trials for children and are set to submit the data for approval to the DCGI. Okay, Ayushman joins us for more on this. Ayushman, what happens next now that these trials are completed? What is the procedure and how soon can we expect the actual administration of these vaccines?
Well, it will still take time, Aarti. This data has to be given to the DCGI, and DCGI will go through this data. Then the subject expert committee will review the application. Then the company will be asked to give the presentation. And if they feel, like we have seen in past, it normally takes about 1 month and more than a month period's time to review the data. And after the reviewing of data is complete, then the SEC will give it its recommendation. But still a long road to be covered. But yes, the most critical part of it is the trial phase, which was given the permission because Covaxin is currently being administered only in above 18 population, and this is currently, we are being told by the Bharat Biotech that the entire trial is completed and they are only awaiting, they're reviewing the data and they will be submitting the data to DCGI, post which the formalities will begin as to how the data